everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I am so excited. I finally received my Lev HAOLAM box after 2 months. I'm sure this is a well anticipated video. I know this Lev HAOLAM is like one of my popular unboxings, so I am going to continue in it. So this is actually January's box. And I just received it. So they delivered it January 8th and I received it March 8th. So it literally took 2 months and that's the longest it's ever taken. So I'm telling you, I've been checking the tracking for this box. So I am so excited to do this unboxing with you, even for all those who have been waiting. So let's go ahead and begin. So first off, let's see. And all I did was cut the top and you know, it's interesting. Never mind. This is actually February's box. So that's weird because I got a thing for January's box, but this is actually February's box. So, okay, well, I'm still excited. So first, here it says it is great mitzvah, commandment to be always in no, I don't want to butcher that, so I'm not going to say it. See, I can't say it. So, but it means joy. So welcome to the gift of Smicha. Okay, never mind. Let's stop. I need to probably go practice Hebrew or something. So I'm not going to butcher this. But it says, we invite you to reveal in the Star of David work of art. Huh. So they left there like a QR code to listen to the song. So I am not gonna look into this yet, but that is really nice. This book is like, they have really come up on these books and it's so colorful. And I love seeing that they're actually showing the artists on the actual cover of the brochure. So that is super exciting. And travel. So there you go. All right, let's get started. So first off, let's see what tea, passion flowers. So we get some tea this month and it has hibiscus flower, cinnamon bark, carob pod, rose hip, ginger root, citrus orange peels, apple passion flowers, and passion leaves, natural flavors, cardamom and seed. A cardamom seed. That sounds very yummy. Oh, stress release. So I have to tell you how this tea is. I think I'm gonna try this tonight because that sounds very delicious. And yes, I always love the soap. So I received the Adva Natural Treasures Dead Sea Mud Lavender Soap. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's like a gray color and it's embossed or debossed with the Adva symbol. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells good. I have smelled some soaps and they just don't smell right to me. This, oh man, that smells amazing. And this month, I received, ooh, okay. So this is a gentle face peel and a Dead Sea Mud face mask. Ooh. And it says how to use it 1 to 3 times per week. You know, I may have to do some review. Let me know if you're interested in me doing a review, and I can do a review and tell you how I like these products because I am seriously gonna try this mud mask and this face peel. Ooh. And this month we get chocolate granola. That box is so pretty. So I scrapbook, right? So what I'm probably going to do is cut this out and put it in my little scrapbook. And this is with love from Golan Heights. And let's see how it's, just going to open it and see Oh, yes. I'm going to eat this with my yogurt. I love granola with my yogurt. And it says oatmeal, contains gluten, dark chocolate, brown sugar, canola oil, sunflower seeds, flaxseed, and ground coconut. But actually, before I say that, I need to find out if there's a recipe that goes with this, because sometimes they have recipes to go with these things. But that is such a pretty package, and that's one thing I do like is the presentation. The boxes are just so pretty. Like, I love presentation. I love colors. So that, and let's see. Next is some chocolate. It says snow-covered milk chocolate cones, milk caramel filled, handmade from the finest quality ingredients using a time-honored South American family recipe. Mount Hermon. So that's from Southern Israel. Can't wait to try that. And of course, I'm going to share. Let's see what else this month. So I heard date is really good for you, and we've received a lot of like date products. So I really need to use these more. We actually have some date honey, but this one actually has an orange zest to it. See, and this is nice, like, you know, probably over pancakes. I've never tried over pancakes, so I'm gonna have to try that. And something like bread or toast. So date honey with orange. And they actually have a little paper in here. See, the presentation is just so nice. It talks about the story of the family. It's, oh, homemade granola. See, I love that they also, oh, they give lots of recipes. Oh, I'm loving this. They give a lot of recipes. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's great. Oh, can't wait to try that. Oh, look at it. The Book of Esther. Oh, that is cool. They've never given a book like that before. I'm liking this. So I'm going to definitely have to use this for our homeschooling. And it's in Hebrew. And I know in Hebrew they read, okay, we read left to right. They read right to left. So that is so cool. Oh, that's nice. And it feels very nice too. Love the way this looks. Very nice. And the last thing that's in here is the Star of David wall art. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Here's the information. Gorgeous. And it says references for the verses of blessing and grace in the Star of David wall art. Oh, so it actually translates from here in Hebrew to English. That is really cool. And I like how they have scripture to follow it as well. Deuteronomy, 1 Samuel, Isaiah. That is wonderful. Oh, yes. And that is it for this month. I am so glad that I was able to do this unboxing. And really quick, I'm going to see what recipes. And see, it talks about the artist. So nice. Just beautiful. Ooh. Orange date honey spinach salad. Oh gosh, now that sounds good. Oh, this is so wonderful. I save these too, so I can go back and look at them. Oh, they even talk about COVID-19. See, and that's nice too because it supports them as well to make a living. So it's really nice to be able to support the families. Oh, the soap. And it smells so good. This box smells so amazing. So there you go. There is the unboxing. And I will have to try this tea. And I'll have to let you know what I think about it. So thank you so much for stopping by. And thank you for all my supporters as well. And I love hearing the testimonies about the boxes and how my videos are also helpful to others. And it's nice interacting with other Christians even around the world. So thank you so much for your support and thank you for stopping by. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye.